Surah Al-Anfal, the spoils of war. This surah is Medinan, containing 10 sections and 75 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
يسألونك عن الأنفال قل الأنفال لله والرسول فاتقوا الله وأصلحوا ذات بينكم وأطيعوا الله ورسوله إن كنتم مؤمنين.
Dear beloved Prophet, they ask you about the spoils of war. Say the spoils belong to Allah and the Messenger. So fear Allah and maintain fellowship among yourselves. And obey Allah and His Messenger if you are believers.
إنما المؤمنون الذين إذا ذكر الله وجلت قلوبهم وإذا تليت عليهم آياته زادتهم إيمانا وإذا تليت عليهم آياته زادتهم إيمانا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
The believers are the very people whose hearts tremble with fear when Allah is remembered. And when His verses are recited to them, their faith is strengthened, and they only place their trust in Allah.
الذين يقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
Those who establish prayer and spend in our way from the sustenance we provide for them.
أولئك هم المؤمنون حقا لهم درجات عند ربهم ومغفرة ورزق كريم.
It is they who are truly believers. For them there are ranks with their Lord, and forgiveness and sustenance of honor.
كما أخرجك ربك من بيتك بالحق وإن فريقا من المؤمنين لكارهون.
Just as your Lord brought you forth from your abode with the truth, even though a group of Muslims certainly expressed disapproval.
يجادلونك في الحق بعدما تبين كأنما يساقون إلى الموت وهم ينظرون.
They argued with you in the matter of truth after it had become clear, as if they were being herded towards death, which they were witnessing.
وَإِذْ يَعِدُكُمُ اللَّهُ إِحْدَى الطَّائِفَتَيْنِ أَنَّهَا لَكُمْ وَتَوَدُّونَ أَنَّ غَيْرَ ذَاتِ الشَّوْكَةِ تكون لكم ويريد الله أن يحق الحق بكلماته ويقطع دابر الكافرين.
Remember when Allah promised you victory over one of the two groups? And you desired that you have the one without armed resistance, and Allah willed that He shows the truth through His words and severs the root of the disbelievers.
ليحق الحق ويبطل الباطل ولو كره المجرمون.
So that He establishes the truth and abolishes falsehood, even if the wrongdoers detest it.
إذ تستغيثون ربكم فاستجاب لكم أني ممدكم بألف من الملائكة مردفين.
Remember when you would call upon your Lord, so he answered your plea. I shall help you with the continuous arrival of 1,000 angels.
وما جعله الله إلا بشرى ولتطمئن به قلوبكم وما النصر إلا من عند الله إن الله عزيز حكيم.
And Allah has only made this for the glad tidings, and so that your hearts become content. And there is no help except from Allah. Surely Allah is Almighty, most wise.
إذ يغشيكم النعاس أمنة منه وينزل عليكم من السماء ماء ليطهركم به ويذهب عنكم رجز الشيطان وليربط على قلوبكم ويثبت به الأقدام.
Remember when he caused sleep to overcome you as tranquility from him, and he sent down rain upon you from the sky, that he may purify you with it, and to remove the impurity of Satan from you, and to strengthen your hearts, and make your steps firm with it.
إذ يوحي ربك إلى الملائكة أني معكم فثبتوا الذين آمنوا سألقي في قلوب الذين كفروا الرعب فاضربوا فوق الأعناق واضربوا منهم كل بنان.
And remember, dear beloved Prophet, when your Lord would send a revelation to the angels, I am with you, so ensure the Muslims stand firm. Soon I shall cast terror into the hearts of the disbelievers. So strike them above their necks and strike every one of their fingertips.
ذلك بأنهم شاقوا الله ورسوله ومن يشاقق الله ورسوله فإن الله شديد العقاب.
This punishment occurred as they opposed Allah and His Messenger, and whosoever opposes Allah and His Messenger, then Allah is severe in retribution.
ذلكم فذوقوه وأن للكافرين عذاب النار.
This is punishment. So taste it and know that there is the punishment of the fire for the disbelievers.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا لقيتم الذين كفروا زحفا فلا تولوهم الأدبار.
O you who believe, when you meet the army of the disbelievers in battle, do not turn your backs on them.
ومن يولهم يومئذ دبره إلا متحرفا لقتال أو متحيزا إلى فئة فقد باء بغضب من الله فقد باء بغضب من الله ومأواه جهنم وبئس المصير.
And whosoever turns his back on them on that day, accepting the art of war, or to join his army, shall incur the wrath of Allah, and his abode will be hell, and it is a most evil place to return.
فلم تقتلوهم ولكن الله قتلهم وما رميت إذ رميت ولكن الله رمى وليبلي المؤمنين منه بلاء حسنا إن الله سميع عليم.
So you did not kill them, rather Allah killed them. And dear beloved Prophet, you did not throw dust when you threw, rather it was Allah who threw, and so that He endows Muslims with an excellent reward from Himself. Indeed, Allah is all hearing, all seeing.
ذلكم وأن الله موهن كيد الكافرين.
That is the truth. And know that Allah weakens the plot of the disbelievers.
إن تستفتحوا فقد جاءكم الفتح وإن تنتهوا فهو خير لكم وإن تعودوا نعد ولن تغني عنكم فئتكم شيئا ولو كثرت وأن الله مع المؤمنين.
O disbelievers, if you seek a verdict, then this verdict has come to you. And if you desist, then it is better for you. And if you return to conflict, we shall punish you again. And your group will not avail you at all, even if it is great in number, and know that Allah is with the believers.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا أطيعوا الله ورسوله ولا تولوا عنه وأنتم تسمعون.
O you who believe, obey Allah and His Messenger, and do not turn away from Him once you hear Him.
ولا تكونوا كالذين قالوا سمعنا وهم لا يسمعون.
And do not be like those who said, we have heard, even though they do not hear.
إن شر الدواب عند الله الصم البكم الذين لا يعقلون.
Surely the worst creatures in the sight of Allah are the deaf and dumb who do not understand.
ولو علم الله فيهم خيرا لأسمعهم ولو أسمعهم لتولوا وهم معرضون.
And had Allah known of any good in them, He would certainly have made them hear. And even if He had made them hear, they would have turned away in aversion.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا استجيبوا لله وللرسول إذا دعاكم لما يحييكم واعلموا أن الله يحول بين المرء وقلبه وأنه إليه تحشرون.
O you who believe, come forth to the court of Allah and His Messenger when they call you to that which gives you life, and know that the command of Allah comes between man and his heart, and that you shall be raised to him.
واتقوا فتنة لا تصيبن الذين ظلموا منكم خاصة واعلموا أن الله شديد العقاب.
And remain in fear of this trial which shall not only befall the oppressors exclusively, and know that Allah is severe in retribution.
واذكروا إذ أنتم قليل مستضعفون في الأرض تخافون أن يتخطفكم الناس فآواكم وأيدكم بنصره ورزقكم من الطيبات لعلكم تشكرون.
And remember when you were few, enfeebled in the earth, afraid lest the people abduct you. So He, Allah, granted you an abode and strengthened you through His aid and endowed you with pure things as sustenance that you may be grateful.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تخونوا الله والرسول وتخونوا أماناتكم وأنتم تعلمون.
O you who believe, do not be disloyal to Allah and the Messenger, and do not violate your trusts knowingly.
واعلموا أنما أموالكم وأولادكم فتنة وأن الله عنده أجر عظيم.
And know that your wealth and your children are a trial, and this that with Allah there is great reward.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن تتقوا الله يجعل لكم فرقانا ويكفر عنكم سيئاتكم ويغفر لكم والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
O you who believe, if you fear Allah, He shall endow you with a criterion to discern between truth and falsehood, and He will erase your sins and forgive you, and Allah is the possessor of supreme grace.
وَإِذْ يَمْكُرُ بِكَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لِيُثْبِتُوكَ أَوْ يَقْتُلُوكَ أَوْ يُخْرِجُوكَ وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ.
Dear beloved Prophet, remember when the disbelievers conspired against you to restrain you or to martyr you or to banish you, and they were plotting and Allah was executing His concealed plan, and Allah is the best of planners.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا قَالُوا قَدْ سَمِعْنَا لَوْ نَشَاءُ لَقُلْنَا مِثْلَ هَذَا إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا أَسَاطِيرُ الْأَوَّلِينَ.
And when our verses are recited to them, they say, Indeed we have heard. Had we desired, we could certainly speak like this too. These are only tales of...
وَإِذْ قَالُوا اللَّهُمَّ إِن كَانَ هَذَا هُوَ الْحَقَّ مِنْ عِنْدِكَ فأمطر علينا حجارة من السماء أو ائتنا بعذاب أليم.
And when they said, O Allah, if this Quran is the truth from you, then cause stones to descend upon us from the sky, or bring upon us a painful punishment.
وما كان الله ليعذبهم وأنت فيهم وما كان الله معذبهم وهم يستغفرون.
And it does not befit the greatness of Allah that He punishes them while you, dear beloved Prophet, reside among them, and Allah shall not punish them while they are seeking forgiveness.
وما لهم ألا يعذبهم الله وهم يصدون عن المسجد الحرام وما كانوا أولياءه إن أولياؤه إلا المتقون ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
And what is the matter with them that Allah should not punish them even though they are preventing people from the sacred house, Al-Masjid al-Haram, and they are not its worthy custodians? Only the righteous are its deserving custodians. However, many of them do not know.
وما كان صلاتهم عند البيت إلا مكاء وتصدية فذوقوا العذاب بما كنتم تكفرون.
And their prayer near the sacred house was nothing but whistling and clapping. So taste punishment due to your disbelief.
إن الذين كفروا ينفقون أموالهم ليصدوا عن سبيل الله فسينفقونها ثم تكون عليهم حسرة ثم يغلبون والذين كفروا إلى جهنم يحشرون.
Indeed, disbelievers spend their wealth to prevent others from the way of Allah. So now they shall spend it, then it will become regret for them. Then they shall be defeated, and the disbelievers will be forced towards hell.
ليميز الله الخبيث من الطيب ويجعل الخبيث بعضه على بعض فيركمه جميعا فيجعله في جهنم أولئك هم الخاسرون.
So that Allah separates the foul from the pure and places the impure over one another altogether in a pile to cast them into hell. It is they who are the losers.
قل للذين كفروا إن ينتهوا يغفر لهم ما قد سلف وإن يعودوا فقد مضت سنة الأولين.
Say to the disbelievers that if they desist, they will be forgiven for what has come to pass. But if they return to fight, then the example of the predecessors has already occurred.
وقاتلوهم حتى لا تكون فتنة ويكون الدين كله لله فإن انتهوا فإن الله بما يعملون بصير.
And fight them until no discord remains, and the religion in its entirety is for Allah alone. So if they desist, Allah sees all that they do.
وَإِن تَوَلَّوْا فَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ مَوْلَاكُمْ نِعْمَ الْمَوْلَى وَنِعْمَ النَّصِيرُ.
If they resort to aversion, know that Allah is your protector, and what an excellent protector He is, and what an excellent helper.
وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّمَا غَنِمْتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ فَأَنَّ لِلَّهِ خُمُسَهُ وللرسول ولذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وابن السبيل إن كنتم آمنتم بالله وما أنزلنا على عبدنا يوم الفرقان يوم التقى الجمعان والله على كل شيء قدير.
Know that the spoils you obtain, 1/5 is for Allah, the Messenger, the Prophet's kin, orphans, the destitute, and the travellers. If you believe in Allah and what we revealed to our chosen servant on that decisive day when the two armies met in Badr, and Allah has power over everything.
إذ أنتم بالعدوة الدنيا وهم بالعدوة القصوى والركب أسفل منكم ولو تواعدتم لاختلفتم في الميعاد ولكن ليقضي الله أمرا كان مفعولا ليهلك من هلك عن بينة ويحيى من حي عن بينة وإن الله لسميع عليم.
When you were on the near side and they, the disbelievers, were on the far side, and the caravan was below you, had you promised one another, then indeed you would have disagreed regarding its duration. And however this happened, so that Allah completes the matter that was to occur, so that he who is to perish would perish with clear evidence, and he who is to live would live with clear evidence. And indeed Allah is certainly all-hearing, all-knowing.
إذ يريكهم الله في منامك قليلا ولو أراكهم كثيرا لفشلتم ولتنازعتم في الأمر ولكن الله سلم إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Dear beloved Prophet, remember when Allah showed you the disbelievers in your dream as few, and if He had shown them to you as many, then you, O Muslims, would certainly have faltered and disputed the matter. But Allah ensured safety. Surely He knows the matters of the heart.
وَإِذْ يُرِيكُمُوهُمْ إِذِ الْتَقَيْتُمْ فِي أَعْيُنِكُمْ قَلِيلًا وَيُقَلِّلُكُمْ فِي أَعْيُنِهِمْ لِيَقْضِيَ اللَّهُ أَمْرًا كَانَ مَفْعُولًا وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
And O Muslims, remember when Allah was showing them to you as few in your eyes when you met in battle, and made you appear few in their eyes, so that He may complete the matter that was to occur, and all matters return to Allah.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا لقيتم فئة فاثبتوا واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون.
O you who believe, when you encounter an army in battle, remain steadfast and remember Allah much, so you may triumph.
وأطيعوا الله ورسوله ولا تنازعوا فتفشلوا وتذهب ريحكم واصبروا إن الله مع الصابرين.
And obey Allah and His Messenger, and do not dispute with each other, lest you become cowardly and your vigor departs, and be patient. Surely Allah is with the patient.
ولا تكونوا كالذين خرجوا من ديارهم بطرا ورئاء الناس ويصدون عن سبيل الله والله بما يعملون محيط.
And do not be like those who came forth from their homes with arrogance and parading before the people, and they were preventing others from the path of Allah, and Allah encompasses all that they do.
وَإِذْ زَيَّنَ لَهُمُ الشَّيْطَانُ أَعْمَالَهُمْ وَقَالَ لَا غَالِبَ لَكُمُ الْيَوْمَ مِنَ النَّاسِ وَإِنِّي جَارٌ لَكُمْ فلما تراءت الفئتان نكص على عقبيه وقال إني بريء منكم إني أرى ما لا ترون إني أخاف الله والله شديد العقاب.
And remember when Satan made their deeds appealing in their eyes and said, "None from the people will overpower you on this day, for indeed I am your helper." But when the two armies confronted each other, he fled upon his heels and said, "I am free from you. I am seeing that which you do not see. I fear Allah, and Allah is severe in retribution."
إذ يقول المنافقون والذين في قلوبهم مرض غر هؤلاء دينهم ومن يتوكل على الله فإن الله عزيز حكيم.
When the hypocrites and those who have disease within their hearts said their religion is deluding them, whosoever places his trust in Allah, then indeed Allah is predominant, most wise.
ولو ترى إذ يتوفى الذين كفروا الملائكة يضربون وجوههم وأدبارهم وذوقوا عذاب الحريق.
And if only you could see when the angels take life from the disbelievers, striking their faces and backs, and saying, "Taste the punishment of the fire."
ذلك بما قدمت أيديكم وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد.
This is for that which was brought forth by your hands, and Allah does not oppress people.
كدأب آل فرعون والذين من قبلهم كفروا بآيات الله فأخذهم الله بذنوبهم إن الله قوي شديد العقاب.
Like the people of Pharaoh and those who preceded them, they disbelieved in the verses of Allah, so Allah seized them due to their sins. Allah is omnipotent, severe in retribution.
ذلك بأن الله لم يك مغيرا نعمة أنعمها على قوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم وأن الله سميع عليم.
This is because Allah never changes a blessing which He bestowed upon a nation until they change themselves. Certainly Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing.
كدأب آل فرعون والذين من قبلهم كذبوا بآيات ربهم فأهلكناهم بذنوبهم وأغرقنا آل فرعون وكل كانوا ظالمين.
Like the people of Pharaoh and those who preceded them, they disbelieved in the verses of their Lord, so we annihilated them due to their sins, and we drowned the people of Pharaoh, and they were all oppressors.
إن شر الدواب عند الله الذين كفروا فهم لا يؤمنون.
Indeed, the worst of beasts in the court of Allah are those who disbelieved, so they do not embrace faith.
الذين عاهدت منهم ثم ينقضون عهدهم في كل مرة وهم لا يتقون.
Those with whom you made an agreement, then they violate their agreements on every occasion, and they do not fear.
فإما تثقفنهم في الحرب فشرد بهم من خلفهم لعلهم يذكرون.
So if you meet them in battle, strike them with such severity that those behind them retreat, that they may take heed.
وإما تخافن من قوم خيانة فانبذ إليهم على سواء إن الله لا يحب الخائنين.
And if you fear deceit from a nation, then cast it towards them, annul the agreement with mutual awareness. Indeed, Allah does not like the deceitful.
ولا يحسبن الذين كفروا سبقوا إنهم لا يعجزون.
And the disbelievers should never assume that they have escaped. They cannot overpower Allah.
وأعدوا لهم ما استطعتم من قوة ومن رباط الخيل ترهبون به عدو الله وعدوكم وآخرين من دونهم لا تعلمونهم الله يعلمهم وما تنفقوا من شيء في سبيل الله يوفى إليكم وأنتم لا تظلمون.
And prepare for them all the power, i.e., troops you can gather, and tie as many readied horses as you can, so that you instill fear through this in the enemies of Allah and your enemies, and other than them. You do not know them, Allah knows them, and all that you will spend in the way of Allah you will receive complete recompense for it, and you will not be wronged.
وَإِن جَنَحُوا لِلسَّلْمِ فَاجْنَحْ لَهَا وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ إِنَّهُ هُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ.
And if they are inclined to a truce, then you show inclination to it too, and place your trust in Allah. He alone is all-hearing, all-knowing.
وَإِن يُرِيدُوا أَن يَخْدَعُوكَ فَإِنَّ حَسْبَكَ اللَّهُ هُوَ الَّذِي أَيَّدَكَ بِنَصْرِهِ وَبِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
Dear beloved Prophet, if they intend to deceive you, then indeed Allah is sufficient for you. It is He who supported you with His help and through the Muslims.
وَأَلَّفَ بَيْنَ قُلُوبِهِمْ لَوْ أَنفَقْتَ مَا فِي الْأَرْضِ جَمِيعًا مَا أَلَّفْتَ بَيْنَ قُلُوبِهِمْ وَلَكِنَّ اللَّهَ أَلَّفَ بَيْنَهُمْ إِنَّهُ عَزِيزٌ حَكِيمٌ.
And He placed affection within their hearts. And had you spent all that is in the earth, even then you could not have created love within their hearts. However, Allah united their hearts. He is predominant, most wise.
يا أيها النبي حسبك الله ومن اتبعك من المؤمنين.
Dear Prophet, Allah is sufficient for you and the believers who follow you.
يا أيها النبي حرض المؤمنين على القتال إن يكن منكم 20 صابرون يغلبوا 200 وإن يكن منكم 100 يغلبوا 1000 من الذين كفروا بأنهم قوم لا يفقهون.
Dear Prophet, encourage Muslims to perform jihad. If there will be 20 patient people among you, then they will overpower 200. And if there will be 100 among you, they will overcome 1,000 disbelievers, as the disbelievers do not comprehend.
الآن خفف الله عنكم وعلم أن فيكم ضعفا فإن يكن منكم 100 صابرة يغلبوا 200 وإن يكن منكم 1000 يغلبوا 2000 بإذن الله والله مع الصابرين.
Now Allah has lessened it for you, and He knows that you are weak. So if there are 100 patient people among you, then they will triumph over 200. And if there are 1,000 among you, then they will prevail over 2,000 with the command of Allah. And Allah is with the patient.
ما كان لنبي أن يكون له أسرى حتى يثخن في الأرض تريدون عرض الدنيا والله يريد الآخرة والله عزيز حكيم.
It does not befit any prophet that he should take captives until he has shed the blood of many in the earth. Some of you desire the provisions of the world, and Allah prefers the hereafter, and Allah is predominant, most wise.
لولا كتاب من الله سبق لمسكم فيما أخذتم عذاب عظيم.
Had there not been a written decree from Allah previously, then, O Muslims, you would have certainly been seized with severe punishment due to that which you have taken from the disbelievers.
فكلوا مما غنمتم حلالا طيبا واتقوا الله إن الله غفور رحيم.
So consume from the lawful, pure spoils of war that you have attained, and fear Allah. Indeed, Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
يا أيها النبي قل لمن في أيديكم من الأسرى إن يعلم الله في قلوبكم خيرا يؤتكم خيرا مما أخذ منكم ويغفر لكم والله غفور رحيم.
Dear Prophet, say to the captives in your custody, if Allah sees goodness in your hearts, then He will endow you with that which is better than the wealth taken from you, and He will forgive you, and Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
وَإِن يُرِيدُوا خِيَانَتَكَ فَقَدْ خَانُوا اللَّهَ مِن قَبْلُ فَأَمْكَنَ مِنْهُمْ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ حَكِيمٌ.
And dear beloved Prophet, if they intend to betray, they attempted to betray Allah before this, but He empowered you over them, and Allah is all-knowing, most wise.
إن الذين آمنوا وهاجروا وجاهدوا بأموالهم وأنفسهم في سبيل الله والذين آووا ونصروا أولئك بعضهم أولياء بعض والذين آمنوا ولم يهاجروا ما لكم من ولايتهم من شيء حتى يهاجروا وإن استنصروكم في الدين فعليكم النصر إلا على قوم بينكم وبينهم ميثاق والله بما تعملون بصير.
Certainly those who embraced faith and migrated and performed jihad with their wealth and their lives in the way of Allah, and those who gave protection and helped, they are all inheritors for one another. And those who believed and did not migrate, you have no matter of inheritance with them until they migrate. And if they seek help from you in the religion, then it is necessary upon you to help except against a nation that you have a covenant with. Allah sees all that you do.
والذين كفروا بعضهم أولياء بعض إلا تفعلوه تكن فتنة في الأرض وفساد كبير.
The disbelievers are guardians of one another, and unless you, the believers, do it the same, there will be discord and major corruption on earth.
والذين آمنوا وهاجروا وجاهدوا في سبيل الله والذين آووا ونصروا أولئك هم المؤمنون حقا لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم.
And those who believed and migrated and fought in the way of Allah, and those who protected and helped, it is they who are true people of faith. There is forgiveness and sustenance of honor for them.
والذين آمنوا من بعد وهاجروا وجاهدوا معكم فأولئك منكم وأولو الأرحام بعضهم أولى ببعض في كتاب الله إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
And those who embraced faith thereafter and migrated and performed jihad with you, they are among you too. And relations are more deserving of inheritance for each other in the book of Allah. Indeed, Allah knows everything.